Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy nacho sauce. Start by gathering your ingredients for a delicious nacho sauce. You'll need about 8 ounces of a good melting cheese, like sharp cheddar or Monterey Jack, along with half a cup of milk. A little cornstarch or flour helps achieve that perfect creamy consistency. This simple combination forms the foundation for a rich and flavorful sauce, ready in just minutes. We'll walk through each step to ensure your sauce is smooth and irresistible. Now let's get cooking. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a small saucepan over medium-low heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or cornstarch to create a smooth roux. Cook this mixture for about 1 minute, stirring constantly. Slowly pour in half a cup of milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Continue to stir until the mixture thickens slightly, forming a creamy base for your cheese. With your creamy base ready, it's time for the star ingredient, the cheese. Remove the saucepan from the heat before adding your 8 ounces of shredded cheese. This prevents the cheese from seizing or becoming oily. Stir continuously until the cheese is completely melted and the sauce is smooth and velvety. For an extra kick, add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed for your perfect flavor. Your easy nacho sauce is now ready to enjoy. Pour it generously over crispy tortilla chips for an instant crowd pleaser. For an extra touch, garnish with sliced jalapenos, fresh cilantro, or a dollop of sour cream. If you have delicious leftovers, store the sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently on the stovetop or in the microwave, adding a splash of milk if needed to restore its creamy texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.